Got a quick video today. I was at the thrift store and I found this two-stand USB document camera compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, or Chrome OS. I thought that was pretty cool. They were selling it for like $50, but I got it on sale, 60% off for like $20. It was just the special they were doing that day, so it was really lucky. I happened to be there. I found this, picked it up, and I wanted to see, is it any good? Because like it'll really help with some overhead shots. Because I know in some of my videos those things tend to be nasty. So, I mean, without further ado, I looked them up online, and these do retail for like $50 to $80 regularly. So I was thinking if this is decent quality, it says 8 megapixels. Taking pictures, recording videos, video conferences, live streaming, so on and so forth. This is pretty recent because you can see they got zoom on there, and that didn't blow up until like 3 years ago, so this was at least made within the last 3 years, but they got a lot of, I imagine wherever a webcam could be used, you could probably use this, because let's be honest, at the end of the day, this is just a glorified webcam. You got two parts, I assume, to put it together. The manual, which let's see, we just got, I guess, thank you for using our product. Please check out the product listing before doing it yourself according to the picture. There really are no instructions how to put it together, just this diagram. I'm going to take this up for later. So these feel pretty weighty, like pretty good counterweight. So we'll take a look at this really quick. It does feel, the construction of it, it's not like a cheap plastic, it's like a nice aluminum or something. I think this is a fairly new product. Let's get constructing. So, let's take all these pieces out. And according to the picture, so I will probably be needing my screwdriver. I guess we'll start at the bottom and work our way up. Here. Okay, that's not bad. Maybe I'll put this in a little farther back. Oh, that's pretty cool. It looks like the camera can go like either here. Well, I don't know why you want to do that. Or here, which is what I think I will go for. Sorry if I got in the way there. Done. Quick. So, are the plug-and-play claims true? Okay, so here we have the actual view of our document camera, and I gotta say it looks pretty nice. One thing I wanted to actually test was the focusing capability of it, and I gotta work on the light situation, but for what I've got, this is actually really good. Like, that focus is actually pretty good. No complaints on my behalf. So I will just take this and stamp it in there, and I'll go ahead and connect this first because it's a little blocky and it might get in the way. Okay, so that's pretty good. Now I'll just take these guys. Plug them into there, so we have a rail of power right up here. And now I will take some LEDs. We'll go ahead and plug those in. And I can't really pay attention to the video that's coming out so far. It is right there, but like, can't really take a look at it while I'm putting these resistors in. But from what I can see, very, very unobstructed, unlike some of my previous videos where I've had to put a camera over my shoulder or something, and that is just, it's so bad, so hard to see. But this, I do like this a lot better. And actually, if I just take like one of these, just hold it, you can see like that is really good quality for 15 bucks. Okay. So now let's take our OLED. Let's see how that focuses up. Not bad. You can actually almost kind of see like the individual pixels here in this corner. In the back. Wow, that's like even better than a magnifying glass. That is cool. Too cool. So, just hook these up to power and ground. Make sure they are in the right spot. This should be the clock and data. Okay, and then I'm just gonna like get something over here to weigh this down. 15, 13, and 12, I guess. This will be 15. Actually, oh, that's not the right side. Okay, and we're pretty much back in business. So now I'll just take all of this. And we will do 15, 13, and 12. Cool, so we got our basic setup here. I will now write some code and we'll see how it looks. All right, so here we are. I programmed my device to do what I wanted it to, and now we'll have a quick demonstration. And I will be honest, this took me quite a few hours than I wanted to because learning to run the web server was not as straightforward as I thought it was going to be, and there was a lot of trial and error that went into it. Nevertheless, I prevailed, and I present to you the demonstration. We'll try a demonstration. So here I just made a basic app in React that is running off of my computer in the other room, actually, and I just have my phone connected to that via the Wi-Fi. And then I also have this connected to the Wi-Fi. So basically what happens is I send a request through the React app, and that will actually forward all the information to the microcontroller. The web server on the microcontroller will parse that information, and we will see what it does. So I hit green, the green light turns on. Yellow, red, awesome. Let me turn off the lights. Let's send a message. Okay, so for demonstration purposes, I feel like this could be pretty solid. I am very happy with this. Like I said, I got it for like a fraction of the price that it goes for online. And if you're trying to do videos in the same category, I do recommend that you pick one of these up. And yeah, I mean, this is good. This is going to be much better than whatever I had been doing before. The camera over the shoulder, not something that I was sustainable in the long run.